Good morning, sir. My name is Vishal Sunar. I am 23 years old. I am from Parbat, Nepal. I am unmarried. I have 4 members in my family. My education is 10 pass. I am medically fit and fine. I have 3 years of experience as a factory worker in Nepal. I can do loading, unloading, packing and cleaning. I want to come Europe as a factory worker to earn money, support my family. I will follow the company rules. Thank you.
भाइ नमस्ते एउटा 500 रुपियाँको बट्टा दिनु केरा नियो त्यत्रो हामी निन्छ सिरियल ढाल्छ नि खाँदै सिरियल यो हैन कि 500 रुपियाँ बट्टा चेन्ज गर्न 500 रुपियाँ